Hello, what's up? It's Clinton again here. Welcome back into my channel. If you are new, make sure that you click that subscribe button. Guys, I talk about the forex market here. We don't only talk about that, we also talk about Bitcoin. We also talk about the other financial markets. We talk about everything, guys, that is about investments. Guys, today I want us to talk about the 7 habits that you need to create, that you need to have each and every day. You need to apply in the forex market. Guys, you cannot trade consistently with profits in the forex markets if you do not apply these 7 habits. These are the things that you need to know, you need to do in order for you to win in the forex market. Let's get straight into the points, guys, because I'm telling you, if you don't apply this knowledge, you won't make it. You need to do all these 7 things. Okay, before we head into that, guys, I want us to talk about something that is very, very much important. I do have a robot. My robot, it trades the BTMM strategy. It trades the market maker strategy. My robot is at 1,000 rand for local clients, 65 US dollar for international clients. For local clients, we use our local banks, which is the FNB, Nedbank, Standard Bank, Capitec Bank, African Bank, those local banks for us to communicate in terms of payments. For international clients, we are using PayPal to communicate for the payments. Guys, listen very, very carefully. After the payment, I need you to send me an email so that I can send you the files of the robot. After that, you send me a message on WhatsApp where we will be communicating on how we go about setting up the robot, how we go about you studying to install the robot so that the robot can start working for you. That's what you need to know, guys. You need to know exactly that when it comes to the robot part. Now let's head straight into the topic of the day. There's 7 habits that you need to apply for you to become a consistent and a profitable trader. These are the things that you need to do. The first thing that you need to do, you need to do your own thing, guys. That's the first thing. You need to do your own thing. Never compare what you do with other people's work. I am, guys, giving you this knowledge because I know what it's like to be fluctuated, to be into this environment where you have this knowledge from these people. You think these people are making a lot of money and you are not making that money. It becomes overwhelming, guys. It is something that you cannot be a happy trader if you live like that. These are the things that you need to be doing, guys. This is the first thing. The second thing that you need to be doing, you need to stop the social influencing. Do not be influenced by social media. These people, guys, these so-called forex gurus, they posting their cars, they are posting their lifestyle, they are posting their houses and all those things. Now the question becomes, will those things help you? Will they help you? Are you gonna benefit from their lifestyle? Are you gonna benefit from what they post about their lifestyle? If your answer is yes, continue following them, it's fine. But let me tell you something. If you don't have this, if you don't have the knowledge, you will have a problem because you will end up being poor the same way you are now. You won't change. But if you are after the knowledge, then follow their results, follow their charts, follow their analysis, and follow all those type of things. Then in that way, I am telling you, in 3 months from now, 6 months from now, a year from now, depending on how fast you are, depending on how serious you are, how invested you are into Forex, you will become a Forex trader that is very, very successful. I'm telling you, it's 100% certainty. Okay. The third thing that you need to apply, guys, have a plan. Live your plan. We all have plans in life. There are things that we want to acquire. There are things we tell ourselves that we want to do. The question is, are we doing them? Are we living our plans? Remember, guys, Forex is full of emotions. Even the scientists that are analyzing, the analysts of Forex, they are saying Forex is part technical, is part emotions. Only 80% is what is emotions, and the rest of 20% is technical. That is crazy. That is crazy. It means we are 80% emotional on Forex, 20% technical, meaning our analysis doesn't really matter. What matters, are you able to control your emotions? That's the question. Are you able to control your emotions? Guys, the number one secret that you don't know about successful traders like us is that we treat our live accounts as demo accounts. Everything that we do on demo, that we did on demo, or that you guys are doing on demo, the way you are trading your demo is the same way I'm trading my my live account. Meaning I've got no emotion. That's why you're able to. Have you ever been in a trade in a demo account? Instantly you become into profit. You come into profit. Instantly you are placing the trade and you are already in profit. How is that possible? But on a live account, you place a trade, boom, the account is gone. Why is it like that? It's because you need to trade live account as if it's a demo account. That's the trick, guys. All right. Now, how will this help you to have a plan? It will help you to stick to what you said you're gonna do. You will stick to everything that you said you wanted. You will never change. You will become the person that you want to become because you are a man of your weight. You are a woman of your weight. Now let me talk about the fourth thing that you need to apply. This habit, guys, is very, very important. Always analyze your actions. Always analyze your actions before you act, not after. Analyze your actions, meaning the thing that you are going to do. Let's say maybe you want to buy GBP JPY. First thing first, check, why am I buying GBP JPY? Why am I buying GBP USD? Why am I buying USD CAD? Why am I buying gold? Why am I buying Nasdaq? Why am I buying Brent? Why am I buying whatsoever? That question, it comes with an answer. That question, it comes with certainty. You need to answer that question before you place the trade. Then if you place the trade, it means you've done that. You've already analyzed your action. Superb, perfect. Guys, that's all you need to do, guys. If you become consistent, if you develop this habit, I'm telling you, trust me, you will become a consistent forex trader. Trust me, you will see it. You will see it. Even if it's a day or a week, you will see the results becoming very, very good. I'm telling you. Now, let me tell you something else. These guys, I've already talked about it in my previous videos, but I'm repeating it because it's very, very important. You must have a journal. You must have a journal. You must have a journal. You just must have a journal. If you don't have you have a daily journal, guys, you do. Everyone has a journal. But you must have a journal that is strictly for forex trading. A journal that is strictly for forex trading. In this journal, you only write the things you are doing in a day as a forex trader. There are two things that this journal must have. The first thing, you must have a checklist of the things you will do. You must have a checklist of the things you will do as a forex trader. Every time you come into a day, you go into a day, what is it that you are going to do? A checklist. For example, in your life, you have a journal, right? You have a journal saying that today I'm going to meet someone. Tomorrow I'm going, okay, let's not go to tomorrow. Let's stick to today. Today I'm going to meet someone. I'm going to work. I'm going to come back to work. I'm going to read this book. I'm going to do whatsoever. I'm going to gym and whatsoever. It's your journal. It's your diary. It's your what? It's your checklist for the day. Same thing goes to Forex. You need to have the same thing on Forex. When I wake up in the morning, I will open my 4-hour chart. I will check for my trend lines. I will check for my trending phase, and then after that, I'm gonna see whether the chart is going up, because continue to go up, or is coming back down to retrace, whatever. I'm gonna place my buy when I see this. I'm gonna place my sell when I see this. That is a checklist. The second thing that you need to apply on on a journal. The second thing is what? Is write down why you did what you did. Why did you do what you did? Why did you buy? Why did you sell? Why did you say this is a buy? Why did you say this is a sell? So that you can be able to trace whether, why did I lose here? You are able to learn from your losses, and you are able to see why. Remember, guys, A win is not a win if you don't know what you want or why you won. A loss is a loss if you did not learn from it. But if you learn from that loss, it's no longer a loss, it's a gain because you are gaining knowledge. Superb. I love it. Let me repeat. A win is not a win unless you know why you won. A loss is not a loss, or it is a loss if you did not learn from it. You understand? Perfect. Now, let's go to point number 6, or habit number 6. Have your goals in your blackboard, on your wall. At the back there, I have my blackboard. I am able to see everything that I want to achieve. You see, guys, you become motivated. You have your own motivation. It should be on your wall there. You have your own emotions. So these emotions, they should be in control because you are able to see what you are able to see your dreams. You are able to see your plans. So now you are able to calm down and be patient. You see, all those things. So that's how you need to live, guys. That's how you need to become. That is the exact way that I'm living now, guys. Being a forex trader, being able to read this chart, being able to read this chart is a lot of work, and this work, it needs patience, it needs consistency, it needs you to be patient and persistent. It needs to be consistent. It needs you to be in a mindset where you understand that every time you are in front of the screen, this is business. This is not a game. This is not a game, guys. This is business. You are here to make money. You are here to build a legacy, guys. You have sacrificed a lot. You should be focusing on something else. You should be starting a business. You should be investing in whatever. But you are doing this. So this thing, it should be able to testify that you invested your time, you invested your life for it. You understand what I mean? You understand where I'm going? So this is, or rather, this becomes your life. Forex becomes your life. It becomes part of you. That's how you should treat it. Treat it as what? As a business. And in that way, you're going far. All right. Habit number 7. This is the last one, guys. And I'm going to tell you now. This habit is probably the most important of all. They are all important. But this is the most important of all. If you do not apply this, the other habits, they are just useless. You need to apply this habit. You need to withdraw your profits. You need to withdraw your profits. You understand what I mean? You need to withdraw your profits. Simple. Why are you trading if you are not withdrawing your profits? Remember, guys, if your money is still online, if your money is still in the market, is still with the broker, it's not yet your money. Even if you made 30,000 today, even if you made 100,000 today, even if you made 1 million, even if you made 100 million, 1 billion, it doesn't matter if you haven't withdrawn that money into your bank account. The money needs to be in your bank account. You need to withdraw. Do not be ashamed to withdraw, guys. I know you guys have got this tendency of saying, I want to grow my account since and now I want it to become this big so that it can give me consistent profits every month. I understand, guys. In that way, then build another, have 2 accounts, build another account, have an account where you are withdrawing your profit, and have another account where you are building that money. Otherwise, there is no use if you are making money and not withdrawing in the end. You need to withdraw your profits. Why? Now that's the question. Why? Why must I withdraw? I want to be rich. I want to be a millionaire. Why must I withdraw? Guys, Forex is not the only thing that can make you a millionaire. You can build other businesses. You can invest in property. Do not be flagged because life will flame against you, guys. Life will surprise you. You must never trust one source of income. You must have multiple sources of incomes to become a passive investor. Yes, you are a forex investor, you are a forex trader, but you must become a passive investor. You know, passive income. Yeah? That's why if you can check my channel, it's Strengthen Malope Passive Income. I teach you to become passive, you know, when it comes to income. Money that comes in without work. That's how it is. So invest in forex, make money, withdraw your money, invest in other things, property. Like now, I'm saving to buy certain properties. I want to invest in property because this is something that I've told myself that I will make money in forex, save enough, invest into property, make millions from that property. I know that even my next generation, they will still enjoy my legacy. So that is something that I'm trying to build for my family now and my future family then. So guys, thank you very much for staying up to this far. I know it's not an easy journey to watch a video up to the end. I really appreciate your patience. It shows that you are going to become a profitable forex trader. If you already are, then that is perfect. It shows why you are a profitable forex trader. Thank you very much, guys. I really appreciate it. Take care and God bless you.